Today, I would like to talk about a very important topic, and that is the distribution of the bow. So how do we create even sound and use the correct sounding point and bow pressure? We have a heavier bow here at the frog and then lighter bow here at the tip. So what you can do is to start at the frog and use a little bit less speed and less pressure, and then move to the middle, save the bow in the middle, have more pressure and more bow at the tip. You can practice this by overdoing it, exactly what I did. So less bow pressure, more bow pressure, more bow pressure, less bow pressure. And that will also create a dynamic. So you play forte, piano in the middle, forte, forte, piano in the middle, forte. Another technique is to play down forte and up piano, which is the easy way, of course, because it's easier to play forte down. It will sound like this. And then we have the opposite. You play piano down and forte up. If you have difficult to start with piano at the frog, you can actually start it from the air and then land very, very careful, like this. And that is a couple of techniques you can use to practice your bow pressure, and sounding point needs to be correct, of course, when you practice this. So don't worry if the sound is not the best. The most important is that you don't have crunchy sound or a sound like this, because that will not help your technique. So let me know what you think about this video, or if you have another suggestions about bow distribution, and I will be happy to hear it. See you in my next video.